kanina.
Later on.
Like, earlier, we went to the bathroom and then,
Then what? Oh my God!
someone made...
Minsan may nagkaklase sa classroom ng alas.
Uy, ano ba yan?
Tapos yung pintuan may bilang bumubukas. Tapos naglalaki yung...
So guys,
Woo! Tapos yan, di pa siya tapos. Mary.
Masyadong tahimik ang Pasko ngayon, ano? Oo nga eh. Talk about the silent night.
Wag your tail.
Hi guys! Welcome to Andre's Vlog! So today, naglilinis po tayo ng office. Actually sila.
hindi kami.
Tapos, nasira ni Bettina yung map.
Here's the clip, guys.
Wow!
Halata pong mayaman. Kapag di po nilagay ito ni Andre sa vlog niya, iyak ako. Connected to Andre Daniels.
Sorry. Huh?
Daniel ka?
Oo.
Daniel siya?
May malay ko.
Hindi ko alam.
Kaya niya yan. Madama kayo dyan na. Ay! Pinay na! Pinay na namin! Ano ba? Parang pabilis na tao! Ay! Wait na! Parang mabilis na rin. Go, Bettina. Sobre. Ang sa siya. Nagdala-diretso ka din eh. Uy!
wait, kailangan pala Tagalog. Nandito kami sa 578 Emporium. Bili kami fang Valentine's Day kasi add to hearts kami. Oh, may payong! Joshua Disgrasya on the house. What song are you listening to?
No, please. I'm sorry.
Hi guys! Today is the day of the add to hearts. Hi! Sayo! Working it. Sir, where's the bed, sir? Hi po. Hi po! Hi guys! Today is the day. Today is the day. Life update po. Umiiyak po ako ngayon kasi wala pa po ako natatanggap na flowers kahit kangkong. Wala pa po. Kahit sampagita wala akong natanggap. Kahit dahon.
So integrated basic ulitin natin.
Go.
Integrated
Wait lang,
basic.
ulit!
Wait lang, pupunas lang ako ng Integrated Basic Education Department, Junior High School Department awards the Certificate of Appreciation to the name of the officer in appreciation for her invaluable. Ulitin natin mula from the top. Integrated Basic Education Department of the Junior High School Department. Ulitin natin, maling binasa ko.
Sir Edison.
Ulit, go! As Junior High School Student Council Officer during the school year 2022-2023. This further recognizes their exemplary skills in motivating others and organizing projects that have significantly contributed to the betterment of the department. Principal.
Huwag na yun.
Andre.
Yes!
Ay, meron pa isa. Wait lang. Andre, wait lang.
Andre,
Sige.
huwag kang gagalaw.
Huwag kang
tagalan mo.
Tagalan mo dyan. Wait lang. Kuwara, kumitira pa ka lang.
Sir, ready na?
Wala, sad na akong